Job. Hey, can we turn around and head back towards the house?
Yes.
Okay, let's turn around. Turn the wheels. Turn it while you pedal. Let's get you started. Yep, uh-huh. A little tricky, huh?
Yes.
Okay, don't turn it too far. Oh. Uh-oh. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. We got the bike back up. Oh, there's a car behind us. We're stopping. You okay?
Yes. There's a car coming.
Okay, well, I think they're parking. Go and get back on your bike.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, that's where we're going.